Hey guys, this is an explanatory video about how the wireless charger works. The wireless charger works on the principle of induction, magnetic induction on electric field. And before you go far, please try and subscribe now. Let's continue. Now, as you see, my circuit charges the phone. The whole video is about how does this happen. It explains how does this happen. Even if you move it how far, it will continue charging. Let's continue the video. Now, this is the battery. I see the white one is the battery. The battery is the source of current. These one are the batteries. These are the source of current. They produces the direct current. Then the direct current passes through the coil, the rotated coil. Then the coil is connected to a transistor. The transistor converts this direct current to alternating current. Then the alternating current induces some magnetic effect or magnetic field in the coil that are induced to here the another coil. Because the another coil is coiled, the alternating current the magnetic field is converted back to alternating current. That's why the current is the one that passes through the wires then to the phone. As you see, it is working, it is charging. Even however you move, still magnetic fields are here, they are the middle. They are invisible, you can't see them. This concept can be used to manufacture the wireless chargers. The only thing you'll do, you'll just compress this thing. Use this coil, the small gauge coils, little wires, then the charging portal, and this one here, you put it at the main source of power. You will be already have done with your wireless charger. It is done. Thank you. But please remember to subscribe down there for more videos. Next, we are making calculator. We are converting calculator to a phone. Don't miss this video. I will take you step to step how you will convert the calculator to become a phone. Casio 82 ms calculator fix. Thank you. Welcome.